Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Visa debit gift card, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add it into our eBay app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Walmart debit Visa gift card, basically what it is, you just go to Walmart and you can buy these little gift cards, and then once you buy it, you add cash, green cash onto it. Then you can use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. And they're a little different than the prepaid cards because these gift cards you can only load money on one time and that's it, as opposed to the prepaid cards you can keep reloading money onto it. But can you use it on your eBay app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open my eBay app. It's this white one right here with these colorful eBay letters on it. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Alright, so I went ahead and opened my app, and this is the home screen, and here on the home screen you can see various options. Like right here, they're just letting you know that it's a Black Friday sale going on right now. It's around the holidays, and also you can go and click this button right here and start searching for something to buy. But if you want to try to add your Walmart debit Visa gift card, you want to look right down here on the bottom menu line. There's 5 options, and you want to click on this one called My eBay. It looks like there's a little person up above it. It's next to Home and Search. I'm going to click there now. Alright, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this drop down menu, that you can do a lot of different things with your eBay app. So you can update your settings, you can see the items that you've been watching on eBay, you can check your most recent purchases on eBay. But if you want to try to add your Walmart debit Visa gift card, you want to go ahead and click on this option right here, payment options. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines down from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on the arrow right now. All right, next the screen pops up, and this is your eBay wallet. So here you can see all the different payment options that you have associated with your eBay account. So here you can see I have my PayPal attached. But if you want to try to add your Walmart debit Visa gift card, you want to click on this line right here called Add Payment Option. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up. So you have 2 options. You can either add a credit or debit card. This is a Walmart Visa debit gift card, so I'll click the top line. But you can also add your PayPal. Mine is actually grayed out because I've already added a PayPal account. So I'm going to go ahead and click this top line now. Alright, next PayPal is asking for the full Walmart debit Visa gift card number along with expiration date, security code, my first and last name, and the billing address associated with the card. Usually when you're using this card online, you want to use the billing address that you originally registered the card with. If you haven't registered your Walmart debit Visa gift card, be sure to go back and watch my other video that goes over that process step by step, which would include adding an address onto your Walmart gift debit Visa. But I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen now. Alright, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information, and then this blue button pops up down here at the bottom. It's called Add. I'm going to click there now. Alright, and just a few moments later, this screen pops up again, the eBay wallet, and it looks like yes, you can use your Walmart debit Visa gift card as a payment method. So as you can see right here, 1, it has this green check mark saying you've added a card, and 2, before I just had my PayPal account, now the Visa is listed right there. So if you were not able to add your Walmart debit Visa gift card into your eBay wallet, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be, but be sure to register your debit Visa gift card before you start this process because that might be the issue. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.